Hey viewers, welcome to our Canva tutorial. Today we'll explore how to create a stunning interlocking triangles design. Whether you're a beginner or a seasoned designer, this tutorial will guide you step by step. Let's get started. First, click on the Create a Design button at the top right corner of the homepage. Now, choose your preferred dimensions or select a pre-made template. For this tutorial, we'll use a custom size of 1280 by 720 pixels. Then click on Create a New Design. Now go to Elements, type Triangle Frame in the search bar, and choose the one you want to work with, and resize it. Now, go to the Uploads area and drag the picture into the frame. Then, go to Elements once again, type Triangle Shape, and select one. After that, change its color and resize. Now go to Share button and download it in PNG format. Then select all elements and rotate. Now go to Upload area and select the image and rotate and adjust. After that, go to Elements, choose the rectangle shape, and adjust it to your image preference. And drag and drop it to your desired place. Now go to Share button and download it in PNG format. Then drop it to the Upload area. Delete the previous design elements and add the picture from the Upload area. And add another picture, remove its background, and adjust it. Add another picture, as previously done, and set it as the background image. Finally, go to the Share button and download the design in JPG format. If you found this tutorial helpful, share it with your family and friends. Stay with us for more Canva tips and tricks. The Canva link is provided in the description below. Thanks for watching.